So children, probability continuation as we are discussing. Okay, we have discussed basics children. Then I told 1 to 10 sums I told children. Then in next class 10 to 20 sums I told. Next 20 to 38 also. Over now today 39th sum onwards we are discussing children. On please see. Open the link in the description children. 39th sum. Okay. So go to the 39th question children. If you see 39th question. Okay. What is 39th question? Okay. So here 39th question cards marked with numbers 13 to 60. This we discussed, children. 39th, 39th is over.
Yes, sir.
39th is over.
Yes, sir.
Why are you
Yes,
missing
sir.
it?
We
Done, sir.
didn't it.
39.
Sir, you
Yeah,
missed
Didn't it
38,
to.
sir.
yeah,
We
Sir,
missed
40.
20, 30.
sir,
Okay,
you missed 38 and you said 39, sir.
okay, Nana. 38 some we will discuss once. Please see here, children. Okay. Harpreet tosses two different coins simultaneously. Okay. So what is the probability that you get at least one head? Children, for the coins, what is the probability formula? I give 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of 2 coins means 4 probabilities will be there. What are the 4 probabilities? T, T, H, H. TH, TH. These are the 4 probabilities. Okay. I told you how to write like this easily. I told you also in the basics. Okay. Now, what is the probability? Question is, what is the probability that you get at least one hand? Question is at least. At least one means one or more than one is the answer. One or more than one. Here one you are getting, here one you are getting, here also getting. So out of 4 times, 3 times she is getting. So 3 by 4 is the answer. At least one means one or more than one. At most one means one or less than. At least one means one or more than one. At most one means one or less than one. Okay, 40th question. I'm going children. Please see 40th question. Okay, 40th question. A bag contains tickets. Bag contains tickets from 11 to 30 children. 11 to 30 numbers are there, children. So, question is a ticket is taken out from that random. Find the probability that the number drawn is a multiple of 7 and is greater than 15 and multiple first multiple of 7 between 11 and 30. What are the multiple? Okay, how many cards are there? 30 minus 11. All will say how many children? 19 will be saved, but not 19 children. 19 plus 1, 20 cards compulsory. Remember, try to. Okay, children, try to be careful. 11 to 30, how many cards are there? 20 cards will be there. Okay, don't say 30 minus 11 is 19. 19 cards are there. Don't say. Be careful. 11 to 20, 10 cards. 21 to 30, 10 cards. 20 cards will be there, children. Be careful. Okay. Now, what are the multiples of 7 between 11 and 30? Multiples of 7 are 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. 3 are there. 3 are there. So 3 by 20 is the probability of multiples of 7. Next, greater than 15 and multiple of 5. Greater than 15. Multiple of 5 is 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. So again 3 are there, children. 3 by 20. Again probability is 3 by 20. Again probability is 3 by 20. You should be very, very careful, children. Greater than 15, he said, no, that's greater than 15. Okay, children, next one. Probability of assured event is anyone? Probability of assured event is 1. Probability of impossible event is how much, children? 0 value. Okay. Probability of event other than sure and impossible event lies between 0 and 1. What
Sir,
happened? Yeah.
sir, doubt. In
Yeah.
40 question, we have to not calculate the greater than 15.
Greater than 15, we should not calculate that. No, 15 we should not calculate. Greater than 15, is it no? No, we should not calculate. Yeah. 41st question, children. Probability of sure event, compulsory event is 1. Probability of no event is 0. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. Next question to see, children. Every elementary event associated to a random experiment has every elementary event associated with to a random experiment has dash probability. Probability of event and probability of not event. I will say this one, children. Probability of event plus probability of not event. How much did I say, children? That is always 1. Okay. And what is the other one, children? Sum of probabilities of each outcome in an experiment is always 1. Sum of all
1.
probabilities is 1, children. Okay. Okay. Next one. Which one we didn't answer? We didn't answer 4th one. Every element elementary event associated to a random experiment has every elementary event will have experiment has probability. Actually, it lies between 0 and 1, children. We will see what is the correct answer. I will let you. Okay. 42nd question, children. 42nd question. Examine two coins, children. If two coins are tossed at the same time, there are three possible outcomes, children. If two coins are tossed here, I told no, children. Same. Two tails, tails, heads, heads, tails, heads, heads. Okay. So what is saying, children? If two coins are tossed at the same time, there are three possible outcomes. No, there are four possible outcomes. No, there are four possible outcomes. Four outcomes are mentioned. He's saying three possible outcomes. No, four. Okay. Therefore, for each outcome, the probability of occurrence is 1 by 3. Okay, okay. Same then, three possible outcomes, two heads, two tails, or one of each. Therefore, for each outcome, the probability of occurrence is 1 by 3. No, no, it is okay. So he's saying, children, tails,
Sir, you're
tails.
taking TS and HT as one.
Please listen. TH and HT are equal. He's saying, children, and HH. Okay. What is this probability? 1 by 3. What is this probability? 1 by 3. What is this probability? 1 by 3. He's saying, children. But this probability he's taking as one only, children. He's saying HT or TH is same. No, let us take it as one only. He's saying, children. So he is saying 1 by 3. Okay, children. But what is the here we have to see and comment he's saying. It's comment you're saying, but what is the probability means the children HT and TH two times you're getting, no? So we should say 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, children. But he's saying 1 by 3. So answer is no. Answer is no. Comment is no. Why means HT and TH are two times you are getting, no? So 2 out of 4 events it is 1 by 2. So he's saying 1 by 3, 1 by 3. No. The answer is just you have to say comment no. If a die is thrown once, there are two possible outcomes in odd number or even number. Therefore, the obtain so children dice are there. Children dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of even number, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. What is the probability of odd number, children? 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. He's saying that only. Yes, true. Second statement is true. He's asking true or false. Second statement is true. He's saying probability of odd number is also true. Probability of even number is also 1 by 2. Yes, true. Correct. What he said is correct. Go to 43rd question, children. A box contains 100 red balls. This is the last question. After this, I'll be asking one by one. You should tell children. Okay. A box contains 100 red balls and 200 yellow balls or cards, whatever it is, 200 yellow cards and 50 blue cards. 50 blue cards. Okay, children, 50 blue cards. If card is drawn at random from the box, then find the probability that it will be a blue card. What is the probability of blue card, children? 50 by 350. That is 1 by 7. What is the probability, children? 1 by 7. And next, what is the probability? What is the probability? It is not yellow. Not yellow means red and blue. 150 by 350. That is 0, 0. 5 3s are 5 7s are 3 by 7. Next one. Neither yellow nor blue. Neither yellow nor blue means red. What is the probability of red? 100 by 350. 0, 0. 5 2s are 5 7s are 2 by 7. This is how probability is calculated. Okay, so till here I told children. From next question onwards, I will be asking one by one. Or if you get ready, children, you should answer. I think next page is a little bit dull, children. Yeah, next page is very dull. Go to next question. Next page, children. Go to children. 54th question, Amma. Please go to 54th question, Amma. 54. Because next page is dull, I will resend the pages again. Go to 54th question, children. I will be asking you now. Go to 54th question, all of you. According to hierarchy, Vedant is first. Vedant, ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, would you like to say 54th question?
I don't have a picture, sir.
You don't have question? A bag, I am explaining to everyone, all of you say a bag contains which are numbered from 2 to 90. There are the cards are there from 2 to 90. A card is drawn at the random from the bag Find the probability that it bears a two-digit number. What is the probability of two-digit number is number one, and another one is a number which is a perfect square. Number which is a perfect square. Okay, so between 90 and 2, how many cards are there, Vedant?
There are 88 cards, sir.
88
88 plus
plus
1.
1, 89
89
cards, sir.
cards.
I told you now only 89 cards. Don't say 88. 88 plus 1, 89 cards. And how many are two-digit numbers? How many? How many are two-digit numbers? Just from 89, remove
81
2,
cards.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
81 cards,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you remove 8, 81 cards are there which are two digits. So tell me the probability. 81 by
1 by 90.
81
Or
by
9 by 10.
89. 81 by 89. 81 by
By
89.
89.
Now, what are the perfect squares between 2 and 90? Can you tell all the perfect squares fast? 4,
Sir, 4,
9,
9, 16,
4 4 is 16,
25,
5 5 is
36,
25, 6 6 is
49, 64, 81.
9 9 is 81. These are the perfect squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the probability? 8 by
8 by
89.
89.
Like that you should do, children. Okay, children. I hope you understood. Okay. Next one, according to hierarchy, Pravalika. Pravalika, can you tell 55? The faces
Yes, sir.
of red cube and yellow cube are numbered from 1 to 6. Okay.
Yes.
Both cubes are rolled. What is the probability that the top face of each cube will have the same number? So he's asking duplex. Do you remember duplex, children? Do you remember duplex? 1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4, 5, 6.
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5,
And I
6,
asked,
6.
it's not your chance. No, do you remember duplex, Pravalika?
Yes,
Duplex.
sir. Yes, sir.
What
Yes.
is one duplex? 1, 1, 2,
1,
2,
1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6.
6, 6. So how many duplets are coming? 6 are
6.
coming. Out of total, how many will come? 6, 6 are 36.
36.
That is 1 by 6 is the
1 by 6.
probability. Okay, Nana? Here, switch off your mic. So children, all of you see the basics. If you see the basics, you'll understand there are 36 probabilities will be there, children. In 36 probabilities, duplex will be 6 are there, children. Oh, so 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6 is the probability. Okay, children. Next, 56. The probability of selecting a who is next? Nandika is not there. Satvik, the probability of selecting a green marble. Okay, Nana, I will say Nana. You can't say this. I will say Nana. Satvik, I will say. The probability of selecting a green marble at random from the jar that contains only green, white, and yellow. There are green, white, and yellow marbles are there, children. Please mute your audio, Nana. Satvik. There are green, white, and yellow marbles. He's saying probability of green is 1 by 4, children. Probability of green, he only said 1 by 4. Please, children, you should concentrate. And the probability of selecting a white marble is 1 by 3. Probability of selecting a white marble is 1 by 3. Okay, so in this jar, he's saying 10 yellow marbles are there. He's saying yellow alone 10 are there. Yellow alone there are 10 are there, children. Okay. What is the total number of marbles? So total, how many marbles are there? This is the question. So children, you should do very, very carefully, children. All of you, very, very easy sum. It is, and I'm showing you. All of you, please see, children. So children, sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. So probability of green plus probability of white plus probability of yellow is equal to 1. Probability of green is 1 by 4. Probability of white is 1 by 3. Probability of yellow is how much? Okay, children. 1 by 4, 1 by 3. You should take LCM. 4 and 3 LCM is how much, children? 12. Okay. Or else, first take 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 that side, children. If you take that side, please slowly all of you see, children. No one should get confusion. Okay. So, probability of yellow is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. I hope you are comfortable, children. I hope you are comfortable. Okay. So, probability of yellow is 4 and 3 LCM is how much, children? 12. Okay. 1 12 is 12, 12 1 is 12. Okay. Nandika, good morning.
Good evening, sir.
No, good morning only. And mute your audio. 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4. Okay, children. So probability of yellow ball is, children, 12 minus 7 by 12. How much, children, that is? That is 5 by 12. I hope you are able to understand. No, sir, we are not able to understand. Means that again I am saying slowly. I will say, children, like this sums. They are very intelligent. Means you have to use a lot of intelligence. Simply you will not get. See, children, probability of green plus probability of yellow plus probability of white is 1. Probability of green, he said 1 by 4. Probability of yellow, he said 1 by 3. Probability of white, he said 1 by 3. And probability of yellow, we should find out. Okay, we should find out. He didn't give. So this and that you take that side. Probability of yellow is equal to 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Because we know sum of all probabilities, let it be 1000, 10,000 also, 1 only. Sum of all probabilities is 1. Probability of yellow is 4 and 3 LCM is how much, children? 12. 12 ones are 12. 4 threes are 12. 3 fours are 12. Probability of yellow is 12 minus 7 by 12. Probability of yellow is 5 by 12. Now, children, normally, how do you calculate probability? Probability of yellow means what? Yellow balls by total balls. Yellow balls by total balls. Probability of yellow, how much you got? 5 by 12 you got. Yellow balls, how much he gave? 10 he only gave. 10 he gave. So total we should find out. That's all. Cross multiplication. This year, this year. 5 into total is equal to 12 into 10. Take 5 down, children. 12 is equal to 12 into 10 by 5. Total is equal to 5 twos are 12 twos are 24 total balls are there. Like this we should do, children. Okay, children? Is it tough or easy, children? Children, are you feeling tough or is it comfortable?
Sir, it is easy, sir.
Easier. Thank you, Nana. Okay, very good. Please copy, children. Please copy. If you copy, I'll say one more section. I'm rubbing this. I'm rubbing this. Shall I rub this, children? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3. Nandika, good afternoon. Sir. Nandika, good afternoon. Whenever you want, you'll come, right? I'll put absent for you. Wait. Those are joining late, I'll put absent for them. That's all. When you ask your parents, you tell to your parents, I don't know. A lot contains 20 bulbs, children. Children, a lot contains 20 bulbs. Mute your audio. Always mute your audio. Okay. In that 4 are defective one, 16 are good one, 16 are good one, 4 are defective one, 16 are good one. Okay. So now bulb is drawn at random. 20 is random. Suppose a bulb drawn is not defective and not replaced. Children, what is the probability of not defective, children? What is the probability of not defective? What is the probability of not defective? Defective, anyone? Children,
4 by 5, sir.
what is the probability of not defective, anyone?
Sir, 4 by 5, sir.
16 by 20.
Sir, 4 by 5.
16 by 20. 4, 4 is the 4 by 5. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And one bulb is drawn and it is not replaced. One bulb is drawn